my dear sisters, mothers, daughters, grandmothers, and all the women of the world, it is time for us to rise up and take our place in shaping the future of our planet. We have been given the gift of life, the gift of nurturing, the gift of compassion, and it is our duty to use these gifts to protect and preserve the world that we call home. We live in a world that is plagued by wars, by violence, by greed, and by power struggles. Men have been the ones leading these battles, making decisions that affect the lives of millions. But what right do they have to kill our children? What right do they have to manipulate our trust? What power do they have over us, over our bodies, over our minds? The answer is simple: none, unless we allow them to have it. It is time for us to stand together, hand in hand, heart to heart, mind to mind, and declare that enough is enough. We must put an end to the wars that tear families apart, that destroy communities, that leave scars on our hearts and souls. We must show the world that there is another way, a way of peace, of love, of unity. But in order to do this, we must first look within ourselves. We must tap into the power of our femininity, the power of our intuition, our empathy, our strength. We must embrace our true selves, our true potential, and let it shine brightly for all to see. We must show men that there is another way, a way that is guided by love, by compassion, by understanding. We must not be afraid to speak up, to speak out, to demand change. We must use our voices, our words, our actions to make a difference in the world. We must be the change that we wish to see, the change that will bring about a better future for our children, for our grandchildren, for all future generations. We must stand up to those who seek to oppress us, to silence us, to control us. We must show them that we are strong, that we are powerful, that we are united in our mission to create a world that is free from violence, from hatred, from fear. We must be the leaders, the visionaries, the peacemakers. We must show the world that there is another way, a way that is guided by love, by compassion, by understanding. We must show men that they do not have to be the ones to lead, to make decisions, to shape the future. We must show them that we are equals, that we are partners, that we are all in this together. We must show them that there is strength in unity, in collaboration, in working together towards a common goal. So, my dear sisters, mothers, daughters, grandmothers, let us rise up and take our place in shaping the future of our planet. Let us stand together, hand in hand, heart to heart, mind to mind, and declare that we will not stand idly by while our world is torn apart by wars, by violence, by greed. Let us be the change that we wish to see in the world. Let us be the voice of reason, of compassion, of love. Let us be the leaders, the visionaries, the peacemakers. Let us show the world that there is another way, a way that is guided by love, by compassion, by understanding. Let us stand together, united in our mission to create a world that is safe, protected, and loved. Let us be the change that we wish to see in the world.
Let us be the women that we were meant to be.